जीरो क्लास हम सोचते हैं कि हम सौरभ के बेस्ट फ्रेंड हैं, तो वाकई में है, पता लगेगा थोड़ी देर में।
ये पास में कर लो माइक।
देखो आ गई, सास की कमी थी वो भी आ गई।
डबल सॉस।
अच्छा आवाज आ रही है ना? ओके। अच्छा देखो भाइयों बहनों, सौरभ की बहनों अनफॉर्चुनेटली इज नॉट गोइंग लाइक दैट। देखो भाई, you know Saurabh, I'm sure he's very happy, he's on cloud nine, you know, dressed as शहंशाह। देखो इसको क्या धमाकेदार लग रहा है। पर बड़ी
टेस्टिंग
पर बड़ी बहुत हो गया है, ये लास्ट सेलिब्रेशन है 50th की एम्स्टरडैम के बाद। वी आर ऑल वेरी स्पेंड। म्यूजियम देख के थक गए।
Very educational, very educational.
हमें अब पूरी नेचुरल हिस्ट्री मालूम है।
एनाटॉमी पता है।
तो देखो, I guess everybody knows, and for those who don't me, my name is Anurup.
Good to know you.
And I have the privilege, and I use that word loosely, of knowing this guy for 32 years. But almost. Okay? 32 years, that's longer than his marriage, that's longer than my marriage, okay? And that's longer than any Bollywood trilogy that he loves. Okay? Our friendship has survived the test of time. Right, buddy?
That's true.
You know, in spite of the fact that I had the great misfortune of looking at your device for a pesky little blemish that was incurred because of some khasar bug that still stays on us. Okay, so, देखो भाई, I actually, contrary to what the people might think, I met Saurabh in the second year, not in the first year. So I had the good fortune of not seeing him in his birthday suit, even though I saw his device later. We were introduced by a mutual friend. Now this guy, man of great clarity, zero diplomacy. उसने बोला, let me introduce you to this guy. He thinks he's Shah Rukh Khan. It's just that थोड़ा कलर गड़बड़ है. And honestly, that was the best description of a human being I've ever received. बहुत बार हो जाता है। अच्छा, so देखो, Saurabh is a man of a lot of gifts, right? I mean, he possesses a lot of gifts. Everybody knows that. One of his greatest gifts is to get people to confide in him within minutes. They open themselves up, and Saurabh knows all their dark secrets.
That's what it is.
It's a great gift. It's a great quality. I envy it. And this guy used it with zero shame. Now, in college, अरे बंद कर दो यार। Now in college, क्या था? 19-year-olds, love starved and more importantly, sex starved. कुछ करने के लिए नहीं था। उनका सहारा क्या था? Saurabh. Everybody would bare their souls and their dark secrets to Saurabh. Saurabh in turn would get intel from the girls' hostel about the supposed imaginable love interest that existed, maybe did not exist in our girls' hostel, and come back and offer it to these poor souls. Price क्या था? Very simple. चाय और समोसा खिला दो और भी बताता हूँ तेरे को उस लड़के ने क्या बोला था। It was a great racket. It was beautiful. It continued for a long time. Until of course two good Samaritans, कोई उनको best friends भी बोल सकता है, धोखा दे दिया बेचारे को. And put an end to it in grand fashion. उसके बाद बेचारा कुछ नहीं कर पाया.
अभी तक वो जख्म है. Okay. So देखो, again everybody knows, right? Saurabh
is the king of one-liners, right? कोई भी occasion, one-liner. He is the king of one-liners, right? कोई भी occasion हो, कोई भी situation हो, one, right? कभी तो straight out of अमिताभ या शाहरुख खान movie, or sometimes it is original, or at least seemingly original. One such one is, and I think you guys know, Dakkan Aisa. Anybody who spent more than a week with Saurabh knows. Aega, he'll lean into you, he'll give you that all-knowing look, will disdain, Dakkan Aisa. और कॉलेज में हमारा ग्रुप था, bunch of guys, and Saurabh would come up to me and he's like, you know that guy? Dakkan. That guy? Total Dakkan. And I'm like, wow, I must be his best friend. He is confiding in me and अरे भाई हिंदी में And here I am thinking कि Saurabh मेरे को बता रहा है everybody is a Dakkan and I'm like चलो यार I think I'm his best friend and I'm certainly not one of those Dakkans. It took me a long time and an embarrassing long time to realize I belong to that elite group. At some point, somewhere, he was dropping the keyboard on me. So the legend, the mystery of who is Saurabh's real best friend continues. It's an unsolved mystery. Saurabh की दुनिया में सब Dakkan है. Well, mostly boys, but there are some choice ladies too.
बंदियों, that's like he discriminates. बंदियों को नहीं बोलता. बंदियों को Dakkan नहीं बोल सकता है. नहीं बोलता.
Okay, fine, I'll give that to you.
किस बंदी को? एक बंदी का नाम बता दो.
हाँ? वो हमारी एम्स्टर्डम के साथ कब गई है? Okay, देखो, say what you will. बंदा, he likes to win, right? Saurabh, if you ever competed with him with anything, you know he likes to win.
हार के जीतने वाला.
The competitive desire beats everything, right? It trumps everything that he does. Yeah. He. देखो, he is not one to not try hard, right? He never gives up. He has that desire कि करना है तो कर. अब एक बार बोल दी तो मैं अपनी भी नहीं सकता. अब देखो इतना सा बोल दिया तो obviously that translates to other aspects of his life. अब वही desire, right? वो competitive drive रोज रात को right लेके जाता है. In his lifelong quest to make his poor wife live out the playboy fantasies. And after every unsuccessful night, which is most nights by the way, right? The guy he picks himself up and his device, looks at the mirror and says, "Mard ko dard nahi." And gets ready for yet another day of struggle.
He never gives up.
Okay. Ab dekho, it's a long evening and my list is very long, so I can go on forever. Okay? And I've been told by certain people that I will have to go out of character and praise this guy. अब भाई मेरा कैरेक्टर है ही नहीं कि उसकी पढ़ाई कर दूं तो मैं कैसे कर दूंगा पढ़ाई? तो for that stuff, over to Pankaj.